Hey guys, I wanna show you. We're going to check my N-type rat trap, at the same time fish trap. Very effective. We'll check. Come on. Right, let's go. Let's check. So my friends, if you wanna catch rat for your pet, then here we go. Let's check. Oh, there. Here we go. Nobody, how is our trap? Alright. Oh! Okay, look. Okay, look. Wow, let's see. That's them. Naya. So look, see, look at that one. Oh, one already dead, huh? Because so look at my trap. A very effective trap. So we catch two. One is already dead, man. Now you see my N-type rat trap, at the same time fish trap. Very effective, my friend. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, my friend. Bye.